In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up your sales settings in QuickBooks Online, step by step. By the end, you'll have your invoices, messages, and payment options dialed in so you can get paid faster and keep your books clean. First, sign in to your QuickBooks Online account. Once you're in, look to the top right for the gear icon, also labeled Settings. Click that, then under the Your Company section, choose Account and Settings. This is where all your core preferences live. On the left-hand side, select the Sales tab to open the sales-related settings we'll configure together. Start with the Sales Form Content section. Here you can add custom fields to your invoices if you need to capture extra details, like a project name or purchase order number. Keep these short and standardized so your reports stay consistent. Also, choose your default invoice template. Pick a layout that matches your brand and includes the essential details you want every customer to see. Next, move to the Invoice Settings section. Choose your invoice numbering style, whether you prefer a simple sequence or a specific prefix. Just be consistent to avoid duplicates. Set your payment terms, such as Net 30, to define when invoices are due. This ensures customers see a clear due date on every invoice. You can also enable deposit or partial payment options if you take upfront payments. This can be especially helpful for long projects or large orders. Now head to the Messages section. Customize the default message your customers see when they receive an invoice. A friendly, clear note can reduce questions and speed up payments. If you want, add a footer message for recurring notes like, "Thanks for your business," or important disclaimers. In the Online Delivery section, enable email delivery for invoices and sales forms. This ensures your invoices go directly to your customers' inboxes, streamlining your workflow and reducing paper. Then go to the Payment Options section. Select QuickBooks Payments or any other payment methods you accept. Offering convenient options like cards or bank transfer can shorten the time it takes to get paid. Choose the methods that make sense for your business and your customers. In the Deposit to section, choose the bank account where payments will be deposited. Pick your primary operating account to make reconciliation smoother later. Be sure to click Save after making changes in each section. When you're done with all your updates, click Done to lock everything in. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.